I went from having no wigs to make content with to having unlimited wigs to make content with. After, you know, just researching so much from people that did it years ago till now, like TikTok, YouTube, everything you can think of. I've been researching it all. Like, I'm trying to figure out what they're not telling us. 5th piece of advice for that would be,
yeah, let's go. Bitch got a backwood on her nightstand. She must be fucking with Ghana. Yeah, yeah. I fuck with sluts and we gonna eat rats, and I came with some fucking piranhas. Yeah.
What is up, my boogie babies? It is your girl, Not Boogie the Hood. In today's video, we are going to be talking about my wig influencing journey this far, you know, getting into advice, tips. So if you're interested, keep watching, subscribe, and yeah, let's get right into it. So let's get into the hair first. I had an Amazon company send this to me. They paid for it, and all they asked for was 3 videos. I was able to do that, and I don't really style my wigs, but I'm trying to get into it. So let me know what y'all think. It's like a light into like it's like a light pink into like a red color. I'm feeling her or whatever. It's about 6 in the morning. Like, I want to make y'all my main focus. So hold me accountable in the comments. Hold me accountable on Instagram. Anywhere you have me. Tell me to go post on YouTube and get out the bed. So I started my wig influencing journey, like actually taking things more serious. So I started in January and I only had 0 wigs to start with, okay? I had probably 1 wig that was rinky dinky, ugly. I didn't like it. It was thin, it was short. It wasn't gonna do the trick. So what I did was, these 2 pieces are like getting on my nerves, whatever. This is a synthetic wig, by the way. But what I did was I invested 40 bucks, literally $40, and I bought a synthetic wig from, I don't know where I got it from, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. So I bought a wig for $40, and it was the honey blonde wig, y'all. And I literally took all the advice that I had, you know, got when I was researching like how to start up, and I applied it. So I was making videos molding the wig, styling the wig, installing the wig, furbishing, freaking detangling, straightening. I did all of that with 1 wig, and I got that content going. And you know, it was all about building, you know, my rep. You know, when wig companies look at my page, are they going to see the hair content? That's what I would recommend. If you want to start, make sure a company can go on your page and say, oh yeah, they actually make hair content. Anybody can do it. So take 1 wig and go crazy. If you have the money, invest in more. This would be my second thing I would recommend. The second thing I did was I reached out to a bunch of companies. I was emailing them, I was DMing them, I was doing my due diligence of just reaching out and being that first person to say something, because, you know, they don't know you. They want people to, you know, make content for them. It might be for free at first, but eventually all of that is going to come into paid deals. But you know, when you're a beginner, it's okay to just do it for free. What I did was I was reaching out, and I came across a company called Hair Supply. I basically was like, hey, I do wigs and I can make content for you. Like, can you send me some hair? And they were like, yeah. So literally now, anytime I text them, they literally send me 3 wigs. Anytime I text them. Synthetic wigs, so to be clear, and no obligations. Like, you know, they like what I post for them, like whenever I choose, no deadlines, anything like that. I went from having no wigs to make content with to having unlimited wigs to make content with. It's no minimal for the content, like the followers or anything like that. So do that. Find who's gonna pay you, and then find who's gonna work with you. Don't be shy, you know, always do that. And that would be my second tip. Okay, and third, like a piece of advice / tip, if you want to, you know, start, make sure you're using your back camera. If you're not using your back camera, make sure you have really, really good lighting. If you don't have any lights, make sure you're using natural lighting, things like that. And I would just say, try to keep the videos at least a minute or shorter, because, you know, anything outside of that, people's attention spans is going to be going like this. So like, try to pick great songs, try to do lots of cuts and cute little edits, make it girly, make it cute, make it something you would want to watch. My 4th piece would be to give the algorithm time. That's what I would say. You want to do the wigs, it's gonna come. It's all about how much patience you have, because anybody can do it. It's not about your following, it's not about your skills, it's not even about the quality. As long as you put the content out and you give yourself that 6-month range of waiting for those people to find you, waiting for the algorithm to get it to the right companies, the right people, it's gonna happen. Like, people are gonna reach out to you no matter what. Like, you have to give the algorithm time to push your videos out there. I've had videos I posted last month just going viral. I have videos that I posted, you know, 2 months ago that are still doing really, really well. Even December, that videos are still doing really, really well. Like, you have to give the algorithm time to get your videos out there. Don't just post it and be like, oh, this didn't get any views, I'm deleting it. Don't be like that. Give their algorithm time. Be confident in everything you post. Don't lose your patience. Don't lose faith. You know, keep praying, and, you know, it's gonna happen for you. And then my 5th piece of advice that I would say, this might be my last piece, I don't know. I think I just want to keep it short for now, but after, you know, just researching so much from people that did it years ago till now, like TikTok, YouTube, everything you can think of. I've been researching it all. Like, I've been trying to get the scoop. I've been trying to figure out what they're not telling us. 5th piece of advice for that would be, obviously you want to be consistent, you know, the more the better, but that's not my last piece. My 5th piece of advice is to not fall for the scams, because a lot of companies will say they'll pay you half, and in some cases that works out, but I feel like in most cases it's most likely a scam. So if they're only willing to pay you half and you know, you pay the other half, or they want to do the refund thing, for some people that actually works. Like, maybe there's certain companies that you can look up and find the people that already did it, and to find the companies that they recommend. But would I personally do it? No. I personally found companies that pay me first. Like for this hair, they paid me first, and then I delivered everything afterwards. You should never be paying for shipping. Never pay for shipping. Never pay for anything. Either you work for free and you get the wig for free, or they're gonna pay you. Period. Know your worth. Don't get scammed. Don't let these people treat you then like they need you. They need you to wear their wigs, okay? So that would be my last piece of advice. It can happen for you. Don't give up. Be consistent. If you don't want to go the route of just reaching out to a bunch of people, just put content out. They're going to find you no matter what. Just give it time. Be consistent. Try to keep on bettering all of your quality videos and be consistent. The more, the better. Like, pump all of them out. You're going to reap your rewards sooner or later, okay? And that is the end of this video. I kept it nice and short for y'all. Subscribe for more. I'll probably do a part 2. Yeah, follow me, because I'm going to show y'all how to keep on styling, melting, slaying, finessing the synthetic wigs, and eventually human. I have human hair, y'all. Don't get me wrong. I just choose to wear synthetic wigs, okay? Love y'all so much. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Love y'all. And I hope that y'all become a wig influencer too. I don't even claim myself as one, but I hope you pursue your dream of becoming a wig influencer, because you can do it. Okay? Bye.